Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, we brought this back from Hello Neighbor's house.
Do you guys remember when we found this at Hello Neighbor's house?
Today, we just saved this little creature. Who will you rescue? Mystery.
Where did we get this crate
Fragile.
from?
Hello Neighbor's house.
Hello Neighbor's house. Do you guys remember when we rescued our crate creatures?
Guys, this is my creature. I'll show you what he's got. And he comes with a marshmallow.
How neat!
And when you squeeze his tail, he claps.
Oh no.
And this is my crate creature. When you pull his tongue, that happens. And he comes with a popsicle.
We rescued these from Hello Neighbor's house, and this was out in the garage, shaking like crazy, wasn't it? So we're ready to open it up and see what's inside.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, we need our crowbars for these.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right.
You got your
Got it
crowbar?
ready?
Guys, we got our crowbars and let's open this.
Woo!
What was that? Well, I
Open it up, girls. Open it up. Open it up. Let's see what's inside.
it's hard. We need to twist this.
Get it open. Get it open. Get it open.
Twist it, Mom.
Ah!
Let's open it. Let's take out this paper.
What's in
out.
here? What's in here? What's in here?
Oh, there's
Hey, what does this say?
Oh no.
What is that?
What does that say?
What does that say? That's what letter?
What is that letter right there?
And for Madison.
Madison.
Kind of looks like a
It
McDonald's.
has your name.
Kind of looks like a
And
McDonald's.
for McDonald's. But it says Madison. That one I think is yours. This one is yours, okay, Madison?
Okay.
What does this one say?
Trinity.
Oh, okay, this one's yours.
Whoa.
All right, the girls are gonna figure out what these things are, and we'll be right back.
Alright guys, we got our aprons on. Mine says Trinity and it says Scruff and Luvs. So there must be Scruff and Luvs in here. Guys, mine is Madison and it says Scruff and Luvs too, so there must be Scruff and Luvs. Let's open it.
Let's rescue one.
Let's rescue them.
Oh my gosh, baby.
Oh my goodness.
So cute. Oh,
What do you think that looks like?
it looks like an owl. Guys, let's see if we can make a face just exactly like them.
Okay. Let's see. Get your face on. Okay, ready? And pose. Ooh. What do you think it looks like, Trin?
Actually, guys,
Look. Okay. What face is she making, guys? Right here. Oh.
guys, look at mine.
These guys look crazy, huh?
Oh, there's
What do you
accessories.
think we-
Oh, wait, there's accessories. That's your shrimp.
Man, I don't even know what. Let's get it all out and read the instructions. Okay, ladies?
Oh, that's like
I don't even know what we're supposed to do with these.
Guys, let's dip them.
Okay, go ahead and add your Scruff Luvs to some warm water. All right, guys. So, you can add them into some warm water, but we're gonna make it a bubble bath and add some soap. These could have either been a bunny, a cat, or a rabbit.
Wait, guys, this is
What?
a bunny.
And Trin got a bunny.
Wait, what is this one?
All right, guys, but what is this one?
I know, a cat.
A cat? All right, let's bubble bath it up, girls. Woo, swish it around, swish it around. Get your hand in there, swish it around. All right, make some bubbles. Woo!
Come on, my Scruff.
Wash those pets, girls. Whoa.
I got some bubbles to wash my pet's hair with.
Scrub.
Need to hold my pet up. And
Wash them good, girls. All right, guys. When we are all done washing these, we need to rinse them off with some clean water, and then the next step is to dry them. All right, are you girls both done cleaning it?
Let's go rinse them off.
Next step, rinse them off with some clean water.
All right, guys, these are our animals after they're washed off. Mine's a bunny. Mine's a kitty.
And Madison's is a kitty. Ooh.
Next step, dry them off.
So, let's get our towels out.
Yep.
Dry them off really good, girls.
I think I'm gonna wrap mine up.
Squeeze, dry them off. All right, guys. Get them really good.
All right, now for the blow dryer.
All right, now that we've towel dried them, we're gonna speed things up a little bit and blow dry them. Make sure you use the warm setting, guys.
Do mine first.
Should we do yours
really
first?
Cool. I'm gonna do it. Can I do mine?
Yes.
My turn.
All right. So get them nice and dry,
Oh, my
ladies.
turn.
Okay, you got it, girl. Woo, scruff the left. Dry. Scruff them up.
All right, guys, this is what they look like. Here's my bunny. Here's my kitty. Her name is Kitty.
So they are all dry. So
Guys.
last and final step is to groom them and accessorize them.
Scruffaloffs.
So we've got a Scruffaloff brush.
And this is the extra one.
And this is a real pet brush. So we're gonna see how the two compare.
This one's just made of plastic.
Yeah, go ahead and brush them. Let's see how they work, girls.
Oh, mine looks good.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Man. Looking good, looking
It's
good.
taking some of the hair out.
Be gentle. Oh, how's Madison doing over here? Over. And just brush right down.
Brush your ears.
Oh, looks good. So, brush them all the way through, ladies, from head to
Mom,
toe.
my towel.
Oh, get that towel. Ooh, yes.
Get that towel.
All right, guys, we'll see you in a second.
So, guys,
We just finished brushing the pets. What do
see
they look
mine?
like?
She's so pretty and brushy. This is
Check out Madison's. Hers is super fluffy
it's smooth.
and smooth. Ooh.
Make it red. Make
Which-
it red. This is the brush I use, and Mom kind of got a lot of her fur
Yes,
off.
so we used the real pet brush and it actually does its job and it made it super fluffy.
Well, guys, my mom took a lot of fur off of her, but it's okay. She still looks cute.
She does. Trin, how did yours turn out, girl?
Scruffy.
Scruffy. So Trin used this brush,
But
Scruff
it
Left
still
brush.
works.
So if your pet still looks a little scruffily after you're done brushing it, use a real brush. It does excellent. Look at the two of them compared. Oh. So that's with the real pet brush. This one's with the plastic
I
Scruff
have the
Left.
bow in her hair. I put it in there.
Okay, so next final step is to accessorize them. What accessories do your girls have? Ooh, some pretty bows. Madison already put her bow in. Trin, go ahead and put yours in.
Mine's a little jungle one.
Ooh, pretty. Oh, and then, where are you gonna put it, girl? Oh, how cute. How does it look? Let's show them.
Oops.
All right, look at that. Okay, oh, and you have another bow. Go ahead and put this other bow in.
Guys, I'm putting my bow in. Mom, can you help me?
Sure.
Put it right here.
Right here?
Mhm.
Okay.
Aw, now her collar.
then- The Scruffaloffs come with a collar, and you can write their name right here.
I'm gonna name her Kitterina.
Kitterina.
It's
Look at
so cute. Open this so I can put
All
it on.
done. Here you go.
Guys, I love my cutie so much. So what are you gonna name yours? I don't know. But I got a great idea. You guys are gonna help me. I'm not gonna name yours until you guys give me some ideas for this little one.
All right, guys. So make sure you comment down below and give us some awesome suggestions for some pet names for this cute bunny. We need your help.
All right, guys. Thanks